Hey guys! So, let's chat about something super important: upgrading those old Cisco switches you've got lying around, like the 2960X or 3850. Yeah, it's time to let those go because they're kinda hitting that end-of-life mark, you know? You definitely want to make the jump to the Cisco Catalyst 9300. Trust me, it's gonna save you from all those annoying issues like not having enough power, getting stuck with that 1 GB uplink bandwidth, and those scary security holes from missing patches. Yikes! The Catalyst 9300 is where it's at. It's future-ready and gives you a gig 10 GB uplinks, a solid Plus budget, plus some awesome security features like encrypted traffic analytics (ETA). Now, I know migrating can sound a bit daunting, but don't sweat it. Just take it step by step. First off, inventory your current setup so you know what you're working with. Next, pre-configure those shiny new 9300 seconds. And then, you'll want to roll out a zero downtime replacement plan. Make sure you map out your old switches to the right 9300 models and use some cool techniques like Stackwise Virtual. This way, you'll have a smooth and secure transition to a high-performance network. All right, you got this!